Guys, if you can connect Hermes agent to WhatsApp, then you have an unfair advantage that no one else has because you spend all your time on WhatsApp. When you wake up in the morning, you're using WhatsApp. Later on, you're not using your Slack as much as WhatsApp. So that's the thing. If you're connected and your whole software, your whole business is connected to WhatsApp with Hermes, you're unstoppable. I'm going to tell you today how to set it up properly so that you could set it up in your machine. So first of all, we are going to go inside the terminal and we are going to start running Hermes WhatsApp. So you just have to write Hermes WhatsApp. This is how you connect through it. If you want installation guide, check my other video because I've got that in there. Once we have selected it, they will ask how do you connect to WhatsApp? And there are two options, bot number, which is recommended, or personal number. I selected personal number and I selected my phone number, which I'm adding here. You could also do bot number. It's recommended. You could easily get it. There's so many AI agent phone connectors there. This will clear. Yes, exactly. So press yes to clear up all the existing section. And once we have done that, it is given us a QR code that you can see. Now we have to go and scan it with our phone. So right now we can just go easily and we are going to scan this QR code directly. Just like when you want to connect to WhatsApp web, it's exactly the same thing. So now, as you can see, when we do this, this is credential saved. All of this information is properly saved. This is all coming after the scan. And so once this is done, we can just go back to our WhatsApp and then we can see exactly how this is working. So yeah, now we are gonna click on Hermes Gateway install. I do not know if you have already installed it. If you haven't, just check out my other video. So yeah, when we do Hermes Gateway, this is the gateway that is set up. We set up WhatsApp as one of the gateways. You can set up any messaging platform which is out there. We chose this one. So now when we go in there, I'm just going to write it. Hey. So now with this high, we're gonna see if Hermes replies back to us. We can see it's connected on port 3000. And we get a reply. So the reply is interrupting current task. Okay. Hi again, what's up? So Hermes is giving you all of the status. So you said hi 3 times. Okay, that's not true. It got it 3 times. Obviously, you could see sometimes it tells you this, but it's okay. So you see that Hermes agent is automatically and directly replying. Now we're going to ask it the next question. Tell me the weather, current weather. So right now it's going to come back to us and it's going to tell us what it is doing. So we can see that it is making a curl request, which is a curl request to the internet. So it already knows the location. So it's giving it's sunny, 36 degrees, 10% humidity, and there is 13 kilometer per hour wind. So all of this information just automatically comes from Hermes. It is already connected to internet. It is connected to your WhatsApp, and you can have it 24/7 running just exactly you saw it here. Yeah, guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe. We are connecting to Hermes like crazy with all the connectors. This is the era to build your own personal AI. You have to build your personal AI. If you're not building it, you're going to be left behind. You want to optimize every process which is out there. And I'm going to teach you everything. Check out my school community that we have got here. Let me share with you. We have got dedicated courses where we are teaching you exactly how to do this. And yes, you could just see this. This is our Vibe Club. You could just go in there. And we've got 408 members. We've got classrooms. Check them out. A lot of power. We've got the whole masterclass on Hermes that you're going to learn everything and you're going to benefit from this huge advantage that you're getting.